So we're back. I just wanted to give you all a better look at the ship right quick. And I'm right in the edge. This is crazy. This is crazy staying in the edge of the water like this and crabs are falling. But anyway, we're going ahead with life, right? So yeah, today, let me give you all the date. Today's date. Today is March the 2nd, 2026. I'm right here on the Walf, St. George's, close to the terminal, or they say behind Andals, right? I'm right here on the Wharf. You can see two tourist boats on the port right now. One is called Silver Shadow, and the other one is called Aroa. So big up to those two ships, Aroa and Silver Shadow. Question. Anybody watching this video right now that has contact with those ships, I have a question for you. How can we make this an experience for when your visitors come off your ship? How can we make this an experience for them to learn eco-luxury? I would love to teach some of your crew members or visitors, passengers, how to make eco-luxury just for at least half an hour to an hour of the time once they land here on the island. I would love to be of service, teaching them how to make eco-luxury using natural materials, like seeds, beads, recycled plastic cord, nylon, hemp, stones like gemstones like jade, tiger's eye, onyx, hematite. I would love to teach them how to use those natural materials and to turn them into sustainable fashion. Hi, I'm well done. That's my job. I'm the fashion consultant here at Greens Era. Right now I'm doing this video showing you all behind the scenes of making making bracelets, but I'm also including the beautiful scenery of the ships that's inside Grenada, St. George's Port Authority right now. Today, March the 2nd, right? If I have the date wrong, I'll put it on right here on the video. But anyway, hi, I'm Will Don. I'm the fashion consultant here at Greens Era, and I would love to teach. This is what we basically do here on the channel. We basically teach people how to make eco-luxury using natural, sustainable materials. We also have a podcast, just basically talking about eco-luxury and why it is the best lifestyle in the whole world. While on the same end, promoting our beautiful island, beautiful country, Grenada, beautiful Spice Island country, Grenada. Again, if you haven't been here, please visit us. We are special, peculiar, you know what I mean? I'm not regular and familiar. Trust me. And we have a lot of beautiful beaches, waterfalls, food, because we use a lot of spices in our food and stuff. So y'all should really try our food, try our culture, try our craft, try some of our local dishes. Try the full experience. Try the full experience of being in Grenada. I would say when you're in Grenada, You definitely need, it's about slowing it down. Once you're in Grenada, it's about just slowing it down. You wanna slow down your pace. You wanna at least relax a little bit. This is the perfect place to relax and slow it down. So that's why on the crafting corner, I do it on YouTube, right here on YouTube. I do the live crafting corner. Teaching you guys how to make eco luxury. Slowing it down again. You basically let the hands do the talking on the live streams. You basically let the hands do the talking. Also on Kick, we do a podcast. It's called a Greener World Podcast. It's all about having the conversation. We do a little crafting, sometimes. We do a little printing, sometimes. We do a little sewing. Everything related to sustainable fashion, we are involved in. Trust me. So if this is your first time on this channel, by the way, I've done the first one. I just had to remove it from the string and complete it, which y'all will see in the conclusion video or in the thumbnail. Maybe when I finish it, I'll probably take a picture and save it in a thumbnail for you guys. But I could definitely see my battery is like 20% on the camera, and I've been recording for about 6 minutes so far. Doing the behind the scenes and the crafting. Let's see how long I could, do again before the video cuts off, or before we transition into maybe some other concluding scene. I'm thinking about if the ship is leaving, showing you guys like a behind the scenes of the ship leaving. So that would be cool. That would be super cool. Sorry I don't have no light. Y'all can't see more crafting, but anyway, it was a pleasure. It was a great evening of crafting and vibing with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Remember, visit Grenada. Come through, visit Grenada. Check us out. Check us out. Check us out. Google us. You know what I mean? We are definitely the place to visit for your vacation 2026. Book us early. Book us early. We are basically almost full up. Every year our hotels are booked early. You know what I mean? So y'all had to be able to book it as well. Book your plans, book your ticket, book your your staycations, book your hotels, book your guest house in time for what we have coming up this year, 2026. Let me see. I know we have Easter coming up, and after we have Easter, we would have our carnival in August. So these are some activities I think y'all should be anticipating 2026. Grenada, if y'all wanna visit Grenada 2026. Alright. For the Easter, normally what we do, we fly kite. You know what I mean? All sorts of kite, big kite, small kite. You know what I mean? We cook a lot of food too. You know what I mean? And we just go to church and thing, and you know what I mean? So, but for August, carnival time, that is when we play the mass. That's when we get on bad. That's when we play Juve. You know what I mean? So, if you have ever experienced Grenada Carnival before, let me know in the comment section of this video. Let's talk about it big and serious. Since you can't see me, let me just come up closer to the camera, because like, even though you can't see me, at least Oops, let me give you a visual. Give you a visual, bruh. Proper visual, bruh. Alright, cool, big and see. So yeah. Other like I was thinking about like making a conclusion here because it's kinda dark and going somewhere else in it. But yeah, I was just explaining about Grenada Carnival. I'm already at 16% anyway. So yeah, Grenada Carnival play mass, we play jab jab, we play, you know, short knee. We have all different type of mass. We have short knee, we have Veco, we have um, the jab. She's using the old oil. That's our main, part of the culture, which is all about freedom of slaves. The celebration of the slaves, freedom. Yeah, we play jab to celebrate the freedom of the slaves. So if y'all haven't experienced that type of vibrant and like full of energy type of celebration, if you haven't experienced that type of celebration before, y'all really need to come down in Grenada. Yeah, it's a real nice free up vibes. Everybody come down on the streets with loud music, party vibes on the streets, and you get some people wear next to nothing, and you just drink rum all day, party all day. You know what I mean? Some of us do deserve that because we just work hard. You know what I mean? I know most of all here on this channel who are subscribed, y'all be working hard because y'all be supporting me right through. So obviously y'all be working hard. So work hard and play hard. That's the name of the game. Grenada 2026, Grenada Carnival 2026 is anticipating you. So I'm giving you all your early invite right now. Please book your tickets early and you know what I mean? Still lock into this channel because we will be posting all different behind the scenes of like whenever the seasons come, Carnival, Easter. We try to make content about the Easter, about the kite making for all year. I think around that time too, the schools does do a last assembly. I think so. So y'all love the last assembly content, big up the youths graduating from secondary school. So if y'all want to see that type of content, let me know that as well, right? So yeah, expect that and expect what else? Whatever's all y'all want to see throughout the year, Christmas, Carnival, whatever season, let me know. You know what I mean? Leave a comment. I would always, make what you guys want to see. You know what I mean? Right now, if I had to label this video, I probably would label it making a bracelet on the Walf. Green Zara making a bracelet on the Walf or something like that. Yeah. DIY bracelet on the Walf, Grenada. Interesting video I find. But anyway, like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. See y'all in the next one, or hopefully in the next clip I can give y'all a great reveal. Alright? But we are 12% right now, and I want to be able to save some material so I could give y'all a reveal and probably take some pictures. You know what I mean? So stick around for that. And thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Rep for the grades. We out. Take care.